Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to TV Gourmet, where I teach you how to eat right out the box. Yo, so today we going back in deep with chicken curry. Whoa! But before we begin, let me remind all y'all out there, like, comment, subscribe. Follow your boy. Let him know you care. Support your boy in making these videos and eating these TV dinners for y'all. Letting you know what's good and what ain't. So today we got deep Indian kitchen chicken curry. Ah yeah, roasted chicken, zesty sauce, tabernacle balsamic rice. Yeah. So let's get into it. Let's get in deep. Alright, here we go with this joint up in here. Ooh, we got them nice big pieces of chicken, licking chicken. And the basmati rice. Take a hit on that. Just like yellow. Usually it's white. Almost got that curry flavor. Let's get up on that curry and get up on that chicken, licking chicken. See how it be popping for you, boy. Oh, it's got a little spice to it. Yo, this be pretty good on you, boy. Curry chicken. Your boy be like, oh, look, it's so proper to the bowl broke. Look at that. You know that's serious when the microwave bowl can't handle the flavor that's encased inside. It just bursts. Oh my God, too much. Let me tell you, you can't go wrong with these. They haven't let me down yet. Got tomatoes, turmeric, onions, green chili, and yogurt. Oh snap. Welcome to Deep. Hell yeah, your boy here to stay with the deep Indian kitchen with that chicken curry. Oh, it's a little spicy. It's got medium spice. And the boy ain't with that spice though, but it ain't so bad. It's still pretty good. I didn't see that when I bought it though. But the yellow rice be doing good, cooling it all down. Maybe your boys got a little bit of Indian in them. I don't know. But your boy be digging this rice and this curry chicken. Your boy be liking all these deep dishes. Let me tell you. This is good for your soul. So head on out, get some deep chicken curry. Be in a hurry. Make sure you scurry. Watch out for that clown Tim Curry. I can't think of any more rhymes, but you get the idea. Go to your supermarket and get some deep chicken curry. Pop it in your face. You'll be happy. Just like your boy. Deuce.